For years, truck buyers were told massive V8 engines were dying, diesel power would be downsized, and heavy-duty pickups would become quieter, softer, and more complicated. But now Ford may have just shocked the entire truck industry. Early reports surrounding the 2027 Super Duty suggest an upgraded Godzilla V8, a monstrous new diesel pushing nearly 1,400 pound-feet of torque and towing numbers that sound more like commercial semis than consumer pickups. And honestly, even longtime Ford critics are starting to pay attention. Ignite your engines, you're on the grid with Motor Maven. Here are the massive reasons why the 2027 Ford Super Duty is making rivals very nervous. Number 6. An even more brutal Godzilla V8. Ford's 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 already became a fan favorite because it brought back something many modern trucks lost: simple, naturally aspirated muscle. Contractors and fleet owners loved its durability, strong low-end torque, and reduced maintenance compared to turbocharged rivals. Now the 2027 Super Duty reportedly pushes the Godzilla formula even further with more horsepower, sharper throttle response, and improved fuel efficiency. That balance matters for buyers driving tens of thousands of miles every year. Ford appears focused on lowering ownership costs without sacrificing capability. And of course, enthusiasts still get that deep mechanical V8 soundtrack many truck buyers refuse to abandon. This feels like Ford doubling down on exactly what truck fans wanted all along. But massive gasoline V8 power may only be the beginning, because Ford's rumored diesel upgrade sounds even more outrageous. Number 5. A massive new Power Stroke diesel. Ford's current 6.7-liter Power Stroke already dominates the heavy-duty market, but the 2027 Super Duty may push things much further. Rumors suggest Ford is developing an all-new 8.0-liter diesel engine capable of producing nearly 1,400 pound-feet of torque. That would give Ford a serious advantage in the towing wars against Ram and GM. But this is not just about huge numbers. Massive low-end torque improves towing confidence when hauling heavy equipment, RVs, or industrial trailers. Reports also suggest a sequential turbocharger setup designed to reduce turbo lag and improve responsiveness under load. Ford is reportedly upgrading cooling, durability, and emission systems too, making this upcoming Power Stroke potentially one of the strongest diesel pickups ever built. And all that extra diesel muscle would mean very little without a chassis capable of handling extreme workloads. Fortunately, Ford appears ready to completely rewrite the towing benchmark too. Number 4. Towing numbers that border on commercial truck territory. Capability is everything in the heavy-duty truck world, and the 2027 Ford Super Duty reportedly aims to dominate that category. Ford is rumored to be targeting towing figures exceeding 40,000 pounds, pushing the Super Duty into territory usually reserved for commercial-grade trucks. For contractors, ranchers, and fleet operators, that could eliminate the need for larger medium-duty vehicles in some situations. But massive towing numbers require more than just engine power. Reports suggest Ford is reinforcing the frame, upgrading suspension systems, improving cooling performance, and strengthening axle components. Advanced towing technology should improve too, including smarter trailer cameras, improved blind spot monitoring, and more advanced trailer stability systems. If these rumors prove accurate, the next Super Duty could become the ultimate towing machine in the segment. Before we continue to the truck's dramatic redesign, take a second to hit that like button and subscribe to Motor Maven for more deep dives into the latest trucks, SUVs, and automotive industry updates. That support helps us keep bringing detailed breakdowns like this straight to fellow truck enthusiasts. Now, with all that capability underneath, Ford also appears determined to make sure the Super Duty looks every bit as powerful as it performs. Number 3, a bolder and more commanding exterior. The 2027 Ford Super Duty reportedly takes heavy-duty styling to an entirely new level. Ford appears to be moving toward a more squared-off, aggressive design with taller proportions, slimmer LED headlights, and sharper body lines that immediately project strength. Larger grills, muscular fenders, and tougher skid plate styling are also expected across the lineup. And honestly, appearance matters in this segment. Many contractors and business owners treat these trucks like rolling advertisements for their companies. Ford also wants clearer separation between the Super Duty and the standard F-150 lineup. This redesign feels less like a facelift and more like Ford building a true next-generation workhorse. But modern truck buyers no longer judge a heavy-duty pickup by exterior toughness alone. The cabin experience now matters almost just as much as towing power. Number 2, a completely reinvented modern cabin. Ford is reportedly giving the 2027 Super Duty one of the biggest interior upgrades in the truck's history. Inspired by newer Ford SUVs, the cabin may feature large digital displays, upgraded materials, and a cleaner dashboard layout focused on usability rather than flashy gimmicks. That is critical for heavy-duty owners towing massive trailers or driving long distances daily. Ford reportedly aims to make towing controls, trailer cameras, navigation, and climate functions easier to access while driving. The updated Sync infotainment system should also bring faster performance and improved connectivity. Higher trims may rival luxury SUVs with premium leather and quieter cabins. Meanwhile, advanced driver assistance systems could make towing safer and less stressful than ever before. And while all those luxury-level upgrades sound expensive, Ford's aggressive pricing strategy may end up becoming the biggest surprise of the entire truck. Number 1, massive capability without massive pricing. Modern heavy-duty pickups have become incredibly expensive, but Ford reportedly plans to keep the 2027 Super Duty surprisingly competitive on pricing. That is huge considering the truck may receive upgraded engines, stronger towing hardware, a redesigned chassis, advanced technology, and a completely modernized interior. This strategy could place enormous pressure on Ram and GM, especially for commercial buyers purchasing trucks in large fleets. Ford seems focused on delivering genuine value instead of simply chasing luxury pricing trends. This may be the smartest part of Ford's entire strategy. Buyers want capability, durability, technology, and reliability without feeling financially crushed. And if Ford delivers on these promises, the Super Duty could dominate the heavy-duty market for years. Verdict: is Ford about to dominate heavy-duty again? The 2027 Ford Super Duty is shaping up to be far more than a routine refresh. Between the upgraded Godzilla V8, rumored high-output diesel, massive towing capability, aggressive redesign, and smarter interior technology, Ford appears ready to completely raise expectations in the heavy-duty segment. And honestly, this may be one of the boldest truck launches we have seen in years. Now we want to hear from you. Would you choose the new Super Duty over the Ram HD or Silverado HD? And do you think the Godzilla V8 still represents the future of heavy-duty gasoline trucks? Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to Motor Maven and turn on notifications so you never miss upcoming vehicle updates, truck rumors, and automotive deep dives. Thanks for watching. If you thought the 2027 Super Duty was impressive, wait until you see the next vehicles we're covering. Tap one of the videos on your screen right now and keep the adventure going with Motor Maven.